Sick Evo. Oh yeah. Quick pound. Hell yeah. Real quick. Dustin Williams and Legends Media team for putting this all together. Wow. And all the vendors as well. Crazy. Wow, that's so deep. Burn it out. What's up, man? Hell yeah, man.
Come out for the homie Dustin.
Always gotta represent. Fuck yeah, hell yeah. Oh, is that the famous Sparko?
Hey guys, I want to introduce you guys to a special someone. Cody Walker was able to be here today, so big round of applause for that, you guys. Awesome, you know, was able to come out. But for even a bigger reason why we're all here is for donations for Reach Out Worldwide. And he's gonna say a few words and let you guys know where you can make donations towards that if you are just spectating. But everyone's vehicle that entered the show today was $5 a car, and that all goes to Reach Out Worldwide. But if you guys want to make any other donations just as spectators, it'll be at our tent. But let me introduce Cody.
Hey, thanks guys, appreciate it. You want to say hi, Remy?
Hi.
Oh, this is really, really cool. Thank you all for coming out. This is like huge. I know, Dustin, we're stoked, man. This is like a huge turnout. Really, really amazing. And as was mentioned, every car entry today is going to Reach Out Worldwide, which was founded by my brother, Paul Walker, over 11 years ago. They send volunteers all over the place to help people after disasters. So think tornadoes, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, all that sort of thing. And obviously it's happened all the time, all over the place. And so just a huge thank you. It's a small organization, so every little bit goes a long way. And it's the grassroots car community that's been so tremendous and amazing with the support over the years. And big thank you to people like you guys out here today. So thanks a lot. Thank you, Dustin. Thank you, Legends Media. Thanks for putting this together, man. Dustin reached out a few months ago wanting to do this, and so I said, hell yeah. So this is killer. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Dustin, anything? You good? Gravy? Let's get back to this thing. Thank you guys. See ya.
Dustin, what's up, man? Dude, I'm just representing the Reaper drop. Dude, I just wanted to show you on my Type R. I got all your stickers, bro. Dude, definitely, bro.
Thank you so much.
Like, real quick on the license plate behind there, I slapped that one on there. Dude, fuck yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Just want to take a quick document.
Yes, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming out here, coming to the show, man.
Definitely, man.
Killer show, so
Oh,
make
man.
sure to like and subscribe too.
Definitely. It's been a crazy turnout with Dustin Williams Legends Media Takeover. Man, it's packed. It is grand packed. But yeah, craziness. Wow, brand new Ferrari just rolled off the lot, I'm sure. But yeah, this has been a humbling experience. Man, goals. Can't wait to like build my car and make it worthy being at least up there on the top. But yeah, I don't mind being down here. It's great. It's such a great turnout. But you already know. Please like and subscribe down below. It means so much. Help the channel out. But yeah, keep it locked. Cheers. It's great. It's good. It's still on there.
Your bumper came off, bro. Hey, Jesse, your lip is hanging. Hey, I'm not steering wheel? Yeah, I got it. And be like that, bro. Look at
No, at least it wasn't painted. I was gonna try to meet you guys down there.
Yeah, I'll drive and park over there. I'm here.
Thank you.
That's it.
Bye.